Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make our first AI avatar. So first step, it's using a tool called Midjourney and create our avatar. As you can see, there is some examples. Midjourney isn't free, so you need to pay for that. In next videos I will show you an alternative for that for free. Right now we need to go to another step, which is our write script for avatar. What he gonna say. I use a ChatGPT to write me that script. So also script is written by AI. Next step will be speech, text to speech, which is I use 11 Labs, and as you can see there are some settings, voice settings, stability. You can put your text and generate some speech that our avatar will say. Last step will be DID, and on a DID we're gonna create our avatar, but also it's not for free. With those 4 steps, as you can see, we're gonna get our speech, our graphic, and our avatar. Last step, there is no possibility to do it on mobile devices. All links in comment.